Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm now in Bali. I'm now at Amadea Resort and Villas in Seminyak, Bali. You would not imagine it's in the middle, in the very central of the Seminyak Strip. So the asparagus restaurant is facing the street, and you cannot imagine when you walk in, you see this wonderful villa. So they have a deluxe room, superior room, and one bedroom suite, but they do have a couple of villas in this very, very good location. Okay, so let me give you a quick room tour. It's actually a 2-bedroom pool villa. So let's take a look at the pool villa first. So they have 2 day beds, and then this is the swimming pool, 1.3 meter. So if you put it into perspective, over that side is the kitchenette, the dining room, and the living room. And then on this side is a master bedroom. This is not a plunge pool. It is quite a full-size swimming pool, so which is amazing. So let me show you my master bedroom first. Okay, so my master bedroom is facing the swimming pool. This is the decor, you know, the Indonesian design and decor. Very nice with the mattress and the linens and everything. And I saw the guests getting happy birthday anniversary, and actually I got an angry bird from Amadea. I wonder why, but actually that's fun. Okay, so that's the view I wake up to, is the swimming pool. The luggage rack over here, a good size TV over here, the sofa area. And now I'm walking into the bathroom. They do have a very good deep bathtub that I can use with the sea salt and everything. Okay, and on this side with the double sink. And then with the rain shower and additional shampoo, conditioner, shower gel under the Amadea Resort plastic bottles. And then the rack for towels if you need to. And then when you walk out is the end of the swimming pool. So actually I can get a good swim and then come back in and get a shower here before going back to the bedroom. Okay, so that's basically it from this side. I haven't opened the cabinet yet, so let me take a quick look. Okay, so they do have the hair dryer here, as well as the safe deposit box. And then on this side, they have the bath ropes, the slipper, as well as a shopping bag or laundry bag here. Okay, so let me walk out to the other side. You know, everyone wants to stay in a villa, especially when they're in Bali. And this is in such a convenient location with the villa to enjoy, and also at a very affordable price, affordable luxury. So let me walk in here. Okay. Okay. A very family-oriented decor in the living room with the TV, as well as, you know, with a 6-seater dining table. I think this is the welcome note. Yeah, welcome note from the general manager, and then a small food plate for the welcome, and then the floral arrangement, as well as the full kitchenette. Actually, I can use it here, but I'm only going to be here for one night, so I'm not going to use it. But I'm going to show you that they do have the stove. Okay, they have the kettle, They have the drip coffee cup. They have the microwave, and then definitely they have the fridge. Okay, let me see. Okay, so they have a lot of water in here. Okay, I think this is another like water machine, and then with a toaster, some bowls, and things like that. So it's a pretty good kitchenette if you stay here for a couple of days, as well as for your family to enjoy some quick stuff here. Okay, so this is the beach towels over here. And now I'm going to go upstairs because that's where the second bedroom is. So for family coming in, that will be great. Okay, so a welcome area with the work desk and the lazy chair and other TV. And then the balcony doesn't look out to too much things, but it's okay. And then this is the bedroom. Okay, so this bedroom is 2 twin beds and the Angry Bird decorations. And then very similar setup for the bathroom with the 2 bathrobes, luggage rack, hair dryer, safety deposit box, double sink. Oh, they have a very nice rain shower here. So, but it's not outdoor like the one in the master bedroom, but this one got a very nice set of rain shower together with the bathtub. Okay, and the toilet's over here. Okay, so that's basically a quick room tour. As I mentioned, you know, the reason why I pick it is because it's in a very great location. It's like less than 10 minutes to walk out to the Seminyak Square. It's the middle of the Seminyak Strip. So I'm going to show you the area. And then also I'm going to tell you, you know, for a 2-bedroom pool villa, it is about $400 US for a night, which is very, very good value. So of course it depends on the seasonality, but that's the deal that I grabbed for this visit for one night. So I will going to share with you more. I've ordered breakfast in my room, in my villa, so we'll see. And then maybe I will also use the welcome drink coupon to have a drink tonight at Asparagus restaurant, as well as enjoying the outdoor theater to see what it's like. Okay, so just follow me and I will show you everything. Okay, so this is what I mean. So I just walk out from my villa at Amadea, and then you can see I am on the main strip of Seminyak, facing the famous restaurant. And walking down over there will be the Seminyak Square. So I've asked for a room tour. This is the deluxe pool terrace, which is on the ground floor with access to the pool. Okay, so I'm going to take a look. Okay, so this is the bathroom with the bathtub and the rain shower. Okay, continuing on, this is the apartment suite. So the same Indonesian decor with the wooden headboard and everything. So in addition to the bedroom, they have the living room here, as well as the dining table and the kitchenette. That's why it's called the apartment suite. And it's also on the ground floor with access to the pool. And they also have the rain shower and bathtub as the setup. But I heard that they only got 2 rooms of this type. So if you want to book it, you have to book it fast. Okay, so moving right along, this is the junior suite. So you can see it's like a studio suite with the king size bed and then the sofa area and also a work desk and the television. They got an extra terrace here if you wish, a little one back here, and then for the bathroom it's very airy. They still have the bathtub, but then they don't have the rain shower. It's all in one here, and this is the toilet area. Okay, so as the reason why I want to have a room tour of the hotel is because although I stay at the 2-bedroom pool villa, I'm quite impressed with this 4-star hotel in the center of Seminyak and want to see, it provides great value, what other room types are available. So that's why I am requesting this special room tour in the hotel Amadea. So continue to follow me to see more room types. So now I'm in a deluxe room category on the 2nd floor. This is one of the entry level rooms. This is actually the 2nd level. They do have superior room, which I'm going to show you in a bit. But it's pretty good size. And then the location, they do have a balcony and they are also facing the pool. Okay. So I just asked for the room rate. It's about $88 for the season that I'm in right now. So with the location, with the service and everything, it's really a great deal, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Okay, so they don't have bathtub, but the stand-up shower, which is pretty good size as well. Okay, so let's check out the superior room category, which is the entry level, and see what it's. I'm being shown the superior room category. Actually, it's very generous room size, and I was told it's the biggest along the strip. And they have the balcony facing, the garden, the greens. And I guess that's the only difference between the deluxe room and the superior room. Okay, so during this period of time, I think this room is selling at about $70 US. So which is, again, great for value. Okay, so no bathtub, but stand-up shower, very good size here as well. Okay, so I guess I have seen everything on the room types except one, which is the 1-bedroom suite on the rooftop that they are occupied right now, but I got a good sense of this property and I'm pretty happy with it, and that's why I'm showing you all.